Now I've got a guy and his name is Dodie. He's my guy and I love him truly. He's not good looking, heaven knows, but I'm wild about his crazy clothes. He wears tan shoes with pink shoelaces, a polka dot vest, and man oh man, he wears tan shoes with pink shoelaces and a big Panama with a purple hat band. He takes me deep sea fishing in a submarine. We go to drive-in movies in a limousine. He's got a whirly birdie and a 12-foot yacht. Ah, but that's not all he's got. He's got tan shoes with pink shoelaces, a polka dot vest, and man oh man, he wears tan shoes with pink shoelaces and a big Panama with a purple hat band. Dodie had a feeling we were going to war, so he went out and enlisted in a fighting corps. But he landed in a rig for raising such a storm. When they tried to put him in a uniform, he wanted tan shoes with pink shoelaces, a polka dot vest, and man oh man, he wanted tan shoes with pink shoelaces and a big Panama with a purple hat band. Now one day Dodie started feeling sick, and he decided that he better make his will out quick. He said,
just before the angels come to carry me, I will be down in writing how to bury me.
Wearing tan shoes with pink shoelaces, a polka dot vest, and man oh man, give me tan shoes with pink shoelaces and a big Panama with a purple hat band. And a big Panama with a purple hat band.